AG Kids TV. Come along and count with me in Happy Valley. 1, 2, 3. Clap your hands, stomp your feet. Numbers make our day complete. Count, count, count with me. Clap your hands. 1, 2, 3. Jump, jump, spin around. Happy Valley counting loud. 0, 0, what do you see? 0 apples on the tree. Round and round like funny dough. That's the shape of number 0. 1 big panda wave hello. 1 bright sun up high to glow. 1 big jump and 1 big run. Everybody shout 1. 2 small bunnies hop, hop, hop. 2 drum beats stop, stop, stop. 2 little hands clap for you. Everybody shout 2. 3 butterflies flying free. Dancing near a happy tree. Wiggle, wiggle, touch the tree. Everybody shout 3. 4 red apples on the ground. 4 loud beats, boom, boom sound. 4 big steps, let's explore. Everybody shout 4. 5 bright stars up so high. Twinkle, twinkle in the sky. 5 quick jumps, let's all dive. Everybody shout 5. 6 silly puppies wag their tails. Running fast on little trails. 6 small circles in a mix. Everybody shout 6. 7 bow in the sky. 7 colors way up high. Spin around, don't be late. Everybody shout 7. 8 combo bands floating high. Touch the clouds up in the sky. 8 big stomps, don't be late. Everybody shout 9. 9 bright flowers in a line. Smell so sweet they shine and shine. 9 quick claps, feeling fine. Everybody shout 9. 10 tiny toes wiggle down. 10 big smiles all around. 10 loud cheers, shout it loud. Everybody shout 11, 12, clap so well. 13, 14, ring the bell. 15, 16, jump so high. 17, 18, touch the sky. 19, 20, spin around. Counting friends make happy sound. Count, count, count with me. Clap your hands. 1, 2, 3. Jump, jump, spin around. Happy Valley counting loud. 0 to 20, we did it today. Count together the Happy Valley way. Clap your hands, stomp your feet. Learning numbers is so sweet. Let's count again. Ready, go. 1, 2, 3, and stop.
Thanks for counting with us today.
Like, share, and subscribe to AG Kids TV.